Yes, today concept is framework, Selenium framework. Today concept is framework. Framework is nothing but it is a generic work. Framework is nothing but it is a generic work developed by an expert, used by many people. Or we can say framework is nothing but it is a software. It is a software which contains some set of programs which contains some set of programs which makes our work easy. Which makes our work easy. Or framework is nothing but it is a set of guidelines. It is a set of guidelines which makes which makes work easy. So framework is nothing but it is a set of guidelines. Using these guidelines, we can do our work easy. We can do our work easy. So wherever you go, if it is Java or Oracle, SAP, .NET, wherever you go, framework concept is there. What is framework? What is the use of framework? We will discuss now. What is the use of framework? For example, I am going to bank. First of all, we need to log in. So log in and money transfer, log out. Login done by me, log out also done by me. So that is called end-to-end scenario. That is end-to-end scenario. Login done by me, log out also done by me. So this is end-to-end scenario. This is one test case. Now once again, I'm going to bank, login, money withdraws, and log out. So here also, this is also end-to-end scenario. Login done by me, log out also done by me. This is one test case. This is one test case. Once again, I'm going to bank, login, cash deposit, log out. This is also end-to-end scenario. This is one test case. If it is framework, this end-to-end scenarios I will write in single program like login, money transfer, money withdraws, cash deposit, log out. I will write like this. These three end-to-end scenarios I will write in the program, in the framework concept. But it will execute like login, money transfer, log out, login, money withdraws, log out, login, cash deposit, log out. Here observe madam, login I wrote only one time, but it is invoking three times. And log out also I wrote only one time madam. Here it is invoking three times. So if you want any reusability function, if you want to use in the program many times, no need to write that many times. Once if you write many times, we can invoke that function. That is the use of framework. We have this facility we have in only framework concept. Here login functionality is reusability function. This function, if we want 100 times, no need to write 100 times. Once we can write and we can invoke 100 times. That is the use of framework. That is the use of framework. Okay madam. There are in Selenium there are two types of frameworks. One is user defined frameworks, second one system defined frameworks. One is user defined framework, second one system defined framework. One is user defined framework, other one is system defined framework. System defined frameworks further divided into two types. One is JUnit, second one is Testng. One is JUnit, second one is Testng. So first of all, we should know what are the main differences between JUnit and Testng. Both are system defined frameworks, JUnit and Testng. JUnit is old one, old framework. Testng is new one, new framework. JUnit, no need to install. Eclipse default we have. Testng, we need to install. In Testng or JUnit, we have four annotations. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. So if it is framework concept, we will not take any main method. So we will take annotations. Here we will use annotations. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. If it is JUnit, we have four annotations. One is before class, after class, at the rate before, at the rate after. If it is Testng, here also we have four annotations. Here also we have four annotations. One is before class, at the rate before class, at the rate after class, at the rate before method, at the rate after method. If you want to skip anything, here we will use. If you want to skip anything, if you want to skip anything, at the rate ignore. Here we will use enable equal false. We can't run priority base. We can't run priority base. We can run priority base. Results not clear. Results very clear. These are the main differences between JUnit and Testng. Okay, JUnit is old framework, no need to install, and Testng new one we need to install. Here we have four annotations. Here also we have four annotations. If you want to skip anything, we will use ignore. If it is Testng, we will use enable equal false. We can't run priority base. We can run priority base. Results not clear. Results very clear. First they introduced JUnit. In JUnit we have some drawbacks. That's the reason they introduced Testng. Both are wherever you go, 100% of people they are using Testng. Both are similar, just one change. And you should remember only one thing. If it is JUnit, before class after class function should be static. Before class after class function should be start. Okay, before class after class. If it is JUnit, before class after class function should be static. Okay, yeah, what is JUnit? It is a software which contains some set of programs. Using these programs we can do our work easy. And Testng is same. Testng is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Using these programs we can do our work easy. So both frameworks are used for we can using these frameworks we can do our work easy. So and here you need to remember one thing. At the rate before class. At the rate before class. Wherever you write, it will execute first. Wherever you write, it will execute first. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. At the rate after class. Wherever you write, it will execute last. At the rate before. Wherever you write, it will execute second. At the rate after, wherever you write in the program, it will execute second last. This is the order you need to remember. Okay, before class. What, madam? Hmm. If it is there is no before class, it will execute first. But I am taking before class. Okay, so it will execute second. Okay, right. If it is there is no after class, after is the last. Okay, right. This is the order, madam. You need to remember. All right. Now, normal example I will teach you, madam. First, J unit 2. Normal example I will teach you. After that, we can go for application example. First, normal example. Go to SRC, take the new class. First, J unit we will discuss. Both are same, madam, within small change. No need of main method. Why? Because this is the framework concept. Here we will use annotations. There is no need of main method. Yes. First, at the rate before class. I'm writing public static void invoke SYSO control space invoke. Next, after class. Here also function should be static. Close, close, before, login. No need of static. No need of static. No need of static. No need of static. Right. Login. Login. After log out. Log out. Test. Test. Right. I'm taking another test also. Sandhya madam. Key test. Hyderabad test. Right. Import the before class. What is J unit? After class. What is J unit? Before. What is J unit? After. What is J unit? Test. What is J unit? Test. What is J unit? What is J unit? So static. No, no. Right. If I click on no, there is no order, madam. So it will not take alphabetical order also. It will execute Sanja or Hyderabad or Aki. Okay. Click on run. Here login we are writing only one time. Here it will invoke three times. Something is wrong. J unit, J unit, J unit, J unit, J unit. Before, after class. Where is after class? Where is after class? Before class. Where is before class? Oh, before class. Right. Save. Click on run. Junit. Click on OK. Invoke login. Oh, something is wrong. Login. Invoke. Sandhya madam. Okay. HOD. Save. Click on run. Hyderabad Akki Sandhya. If you want console, invoke login Hyderabad. It is taking Hyderabad first. So there is no, it will not follow any alphabetical order. Dynamically it will execute. Sometimes it will execute Hyderabad, sometimes it will execute Akki, sometimes it will execute Sandhya. So there is no order. So here we can't run priority base. We can't run priority base. Login function I am writing only one time, but here we are I am invoking three times. Okay. This is the concept, JUnit concept. So if you want to skip anything, I want to skip a key. So before that function, I don't want to delete, I don't want to comment. So I want to skip the function. So at the rate ignore. So it will ignore the function. Ignore what is JUnit. Save, click on run. It will execute only two functions. Invoke login Hyderabad log out, login Sandhya log out, close. Okay, this is JUnit. This is JUnit. So here is no priority base, we can't run. Okay. Sometimes it will execute Sandhya, sometimes Akki, sometimes Hyderabad. So there is no order. It will not follow any alphabetical order also. Alright. Now I want to convert into test engine. So import all statements, convert to test engine. And here no need of starting. If you want you can write it. No need, not mandatory. If it is JUnit, compulsory that function should be starting. If it is test engine, no need of. If you want you can keep it. Here in the place of before we can write before method, after method, write import statements, before class org test engine, after class org test engine, before method org test engine annotation, after method org test engine annotation, test org test engine annotation. Right. Save. Here it will run alphabetical order, madam. No, Akki Hyderabad Sandhya. It will run alphabetical order, madam. So this is not errors, madam. So this is old web driver programs. It is showing under red lines. So not errors. Invoke login, Akki logout, login Hyderabad logout, login Sandhya logout close. So it will run alphabetical order. If you want to run any priority base, so we need to mention the priority. Like if you want to run Hyderabad first, then we need to give the priority. Priority equal 0. So it will execute first. Priority equal to 2, equal to 1 is. So you are giving priority. Based on the priority it will run. Okay. Here test Sandhya I am giving 1 and Hyderabad I am giving 0. So now it will execute first, it will execute Akki function. Why? Because if you want to give the priority, we need to give the priority to all the functions. But I am giving only priority to Sandhya and Hyderabad. I am not giving priority to Akki function. So it will execute Akki function first of all. It will execute first Akki. Why? Because I didn't give any priority to Akki function. So it will execute Akki first. Login, go Akki log out, login Hyderabad log out, login Sandhya logout. So it will execute first Akhi. So if I give priority to Akhi also, now priority base it will run. Priority equal to 2. So first Hyderabad, Sandhya, Akhi. Save, click on run. Invoke, login, Hyderabad, logout, login, Sandhya, logout, login, Akhi, logout. Close. Okay. This is the order it will follow. Okay. Next. If you want to skip anything, just simple we can write enabled equal false. So it will skip the Akhi function. Enable equal false. Yeah. Hyderabad, Sandhya. Akhi is skipped. So this is Testng framework. That is the main differences between Junit and Testng. Okay. Now I want to apply this concept to framework concept to any other sites. Like we can take any site. So we can apply to web application, madam. Okay. Right. Same. Before class same. So if it is web application, so just declare the web driver is a global declaration. Web driver WD. Web driver WD. Right. So in the place of system.out.println WD equal new Firefox driver. Oh, no need. Okay, we are invoking the browser. No, 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 no. No, madam. Control Z. Firefox driver. You are invoking. Okay. Only I'm invoking the browser only. Okay. I'm invoking the browser. So this is the global declaration. Okay, that is the global declaration. Why? Because before class is a main method, or after class is a main method, or before method is a main method, or after method is a main method, or at the rate test is a main method. So that's the reason I'm declaring globally. Yes, right. Next, close. WD dot close. Before method, I want to invoke the method. I want to invoke the application. So WD dot get take any site and taking HTTP any site. In the nodes already I gave nearly 10 to 15 sites, madam. Freecharge.com, freecharge.in, I think. We can next. We need to click on login button. WD dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot click. Right. Copy. Control V. Control V. Control V. See, enough. Log out. Control V. Control V. Test. Control. Go to free charge site. Take any site, madam. Yes. We need to click on login button. Take the login XPath. Copy. Come here. Paste. Click on login button. We can get username and password. Take the username XPath. Copy. Control V. Send dot. Send keys. My ID Akhil Reddy HYD1 at gmail.com. And password also. Send keys Akhil 2994. Right, go and get the password XPath. Copy. Control V. On the sign in button. Copy. Control V. Right. Next log out. First log into application. Mobile DTH data card. Names change it to mobile DTH data card. Right. First of all, take the logout XPath. Right. Next, mobile XPath. Copy. Control V. Next, DTH XPath. Copy. Data card XPath. Copy. Control. Right, madam. This is application example, madam. So our intention is that application need to run 3 times. It need to invoke 3 times, madam. Here write thread dot sleep. Thread dot sleep. Add throws declaration. Save, click on run. You can apply this framework for any application, madam, any web application. And moreover, madam, to your homework is you need to apply property file for each and every annotation. So here we are taking three tests and login, log out. Five property files required, madam. How many properties files? Five. Why? Because each and every one is and each and every annotation is a main method, madam. Okay. We need to create five property files, madam. So this is mobile. Oh, data card. Oh, data card up to data card. Mobile, DTH, and data card. This is DTH. Last data card. Over three times over. Once again, I will run the program. Save. Click on run. First time login. No? What happened? Oh, oh, oh. Back end it is running. Short time. Data card. That is the concept. Framework concept. You need to apply for property file. Just we need to create property file for this login. Log out another property file. As the test three property files, five property files. Take another site, not this site. Take any new site and apply this property file concept. Okay, I can give you site one site. Orange HRM. Orange HRM. The site is very fast, good site. Wait, madam. Orange HRM. No need to create username and password also. Oh, no, 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 no. This not this. Orange HRM, madam. Orange HRM. Not this one. Orange HRM only. But another page will come. Just try it. Not as well like, madam. Okay. Just take another site. Apply the property file with Testng. Okay, madam. Okay. Tomorrow also we have class at same time, madam. Okay. Afternoon times I have some work, madam. That's the reason I'm taking class morning hours only. Okay, I will tell you, but not today. Okay, tomorrow we have class at same time. Okay, madam. Okay, have a nice day. Take care, madam. Bye, madam. And send me your team where ID and password. I will send you this recorded file, ma. Okay. Okay, thank you, madam. Bye, ma.